Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reset Netflix on Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, if Netflix is not working, showing errors, or having network issues, start by clearing the app cache. Get to the Netflix app, select the Options feature on your remote or your Smart TV, and choose Clear Cache or Offload. This resets the app and removes temporary files. After clearing the cache, wait about 5 minutes, return to the home screen, and open Netflix again. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the Netflix app. Go to the Netflix app, again tap Options, and uninstall it. If your TV does not allow uninstalling Netflix, open Settings, go to Application Settings, select Netflix, and deactivate it. Reactivating the app works like reinstalling it. After reinstalling or reactivating, open Netflix again. Another method is power resetting your TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it from the wall socket, wait 30 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Finally, check your internet connection in Network Settings and make sure your TV is properly connected. So that's basically how you can reset Netflix on Smart TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.